Yo, fabulous fans. King Kobe Masaba. And since Sembia Nancy a Cosono. My dream would be to say, Kumasa Asante Kotoko, Nana Yaw Amponsah na ye channel. Nana Yaw Amponsah and ye channel. Or more say free him by ye say or circle for idea be PM for the CEO position. Yes, Remo. Yes, Remo pa. Kumasa Asante Kotoko Chitafo. The fabulous zone, ye case is Sudia. Nana Yaw Amponsah, on obi ahwe nanim. Ono and obi ahwe nanim. Board na abano. Ye jimudi pa, ye share credibility na Charlie. But Nana Yaw Amponsah, he's the person that the fans are willing to accept. Dim komo bise obi say NYA. Enti yes Remo. Momfa Nana Yaw Amponsah mre. Ono na ye hwe na obetimi aboan. Fine, some circle for ball no. So far dey na why am Ghana football. Ko ball by Munich, kwa ha sika bebe dey na why am Ghana football. What's na say na or some circle for. Dey part why am Ghana football dey na why to manage a club like Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Fabulous zone, ye din kai tia so mo spread sa rumor no munyai. Cause anya no kre. Some circle for oni bebia oni position hu bebia. Nana Yaw Amponsah no bia hwe anim. Him say enche mpenifo asebe omo nyansemu omo atena se afa adwen no omo de mpomo de bebre Nana Yaw Amponsah ono bia hwe nanim. Nti fabulous zone ene ye case so media na mo ya agenda mo ya agenda tia Nana Yaw Amponsah no amasha ase de osakufo din ya be mu no munhwe yi osakufo no mbe position hu bebia osakufo mbe position hu bebia NYE no yi na epe no him say enche the din be out na officially ma confirm na man ye hwe time ope FA presidency no kra na ne nsem okekan no Charlie no he has involved himself in the Ghana football terrain to onim what's going and what's coming nye osakufo na watena bebia akwa na mabrochi na wenye nsika di ono nko edi na afi na o abepe kotoko position CEO position no yenye ne saa obi a waye bibi aspani ska wo system ni mu no na yepe no enti ye ka akere mo media agenda for mo amoye agenda no ye mbese be ubodin ba mo mani nti hwa osakufo de onti meye kotoko CEO osakufo on kwada no kwa ha no na no ha no maybe etwem a menhia ye so mu beji osakufo de aye club chairman unya kikikiki wa coach nyina he fa asha se ka se me na me ba be board chairman na makotoko le hia sade ni biem e pe obi ana no o se NY na nsem ba yi why din obi antina sem why din the records na ekasama no achievement na ekasama no sa na nipa bi sa na yepe because this is a new Kotoko and we want a new direction and new everything. Okay, e dey no besia mama yemfa plane hu yentunko pie abrochimem maybe I saw a Wembley Stadium. High fabulous zone. But said the football na yeka. Although the majority of our stories here Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But yentimi ma the see Wembley Stadium no entwemungu. Match by Asem na America. Arsenal FC and Chelsea FC FA Cup final. Allah wallahi. Obu this is but already I knew Arsenal was going to win because it is the FA Cup, and when it comes to the FA Cup, they are England. Will be any born saying Arsenal. Before this game, no more we need 13. That's the record holding. Beyond the 13 there, Arsenal, no, they are always favorites for the FA Cup. How much Chelsea 2-1 SRG, they are 14th title in the FA Cup. Last season, they are two teams equal share. Chelsea ne Arsenal or Europa League ma Chelsea share Arsenal 4-1 and people thought say Chelsea share Arsenal 4-1 no oh and the last season yeah Chelsea share Arsenal 4-1 there and the way they falla catch up go for me no say Charlie Arsenal na FA Cup no munimbo as a Copa del Rey ko Spain Copa del Rey de Barcelona beji and Real Madrid also nim Champions League bo or then bo Copa del Rey de Barcelona beji saa bi da akoye we den Arsenal beji FA Cup no then enye wanwa so Chelsea egualo two and surprise Chelsea they take it first lead kiki pago koi no Arsenal to me bet take no and who else Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang the striker of the moment Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang Gabonema enye wanwa so no to me about 2 goals first one penalty second one how what Zuma bo share no kra no ntimu say Charlie guy no me personally my favorite striker in the EPL the English Premier League right now no Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang oh share strikers also is it Aguero or why form pa de ti sia de Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang de obi anto no Aubameyang pa de form pa say form yen bobo yen to atena oba Arsenal ohwe number of goals awa hye kra na this season goals awa hye na Charlie the guy is on form on top form na me bomb pies obe Arsenal because it's an Arsenal standard no ya bro Arsenal standard so Barcelona masha say hard win there and sure that Arsenal they are not able to keep him. So the Fabulous Zone, our weekly digest, yeah, digest week, you know now. This is the story we are bringing. First of all, mo the Asante Kotoko ebe bata. Nana Yaw Amponsah dwumadi no hunu munyai. Sa agye Nana amanfo bi a media fo bi a hye munyai. Munyai na emmoa mo. Nana Yaw Amponsah enim na da ye information we have we've kept it to ourselves but Nana Yaw Amponsah ono na oba. Ye nyina enim so ono na eba. Munja no mbra di no me nedwuma and you fa plane kwa amanon so Arsenal they did it again for the 14th time winning the English the FA Cup for the 14th time. So the Fabulous Zone and then weekly digest in BCA say for Porcupines by Porcupines. If you want to follow us, go to YouTube, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and follow us on Twitter. The Fabulous Zone once again for Porcupines by Porcupines.